It is spring cleaning time, and the first thing many of us want to do is make our homes smell better. Here are 5 filters that can be cleaned or replaced to improve the smell in the home. Number 1. Air conditioning filter. Have you noticed your home dustier or the air intake vents getting dirty? It might be time to replace your AC filter. I found some apartment landlords don't even know this. Number 2. Vacuum cleaner filter. Does your vacuum cleaner smell like feet even though you have emptied it and cleaned out the canister? Replace or wash your vacuum filter. Depending on your vacuum, you might have multiple filters in it. Number 3. Range hood filter. Are the smells from cooking not fading from your kitchen? Clean the range filter by soaking it in hot water and soap to loosen the grease. Please like and subscribe if this is helpful. Number 4. Air purifier filter. An air purifier works wonders as long as the filter is replaced on a regular basis. Holding up your air purifier filter to a new one will make it easy to see how dirty it is. Number 5. Dryer filter. Cleaning out your dryer filter makes clothes dry faster, smell better, and prevents fires. Don't forget to also rinse and dry the filter periodically. Off to work on these chores in my home. Please like and subscribe.